Design a 6-order equal ripple 0.5 dB high pass filter with cutoff frequency 2 GHz and impedance of 50 ohm. Okay, based on this question, they already give information of frequency 2 GHz, Z0 equal to 50 ohm and equal ripple 0.5 dB. Okay, based on this diagram, okay, generator resistor series with capacitance and then continue parallel with inductance and then series with the capacitance again and then continue parallel with inductance and then series with capacitance and continue parallel with the L6 inductance. Okay.
This is how to calculate omega C. The formula is 2 pi Fc. Fc given is 2 giga. So the answer is 12.56 gigahertz. For capacitor 1, the formula given is 1 over Z0 times omega C times G1. The value for the G1 is provided from the table. So the answer is 0.922 picofarad. For inductor 2, the formula given is Z0 over omega C times G2. The value from G2 is taken from the table. So the answer is 3.188 nanohenry.
So next, I will continue to explain how to get the value of capacitance C3 and the value of inductance L4. So firstly, for C3, the formula is 1 over Z0 for impedance times by omega C and times by group 3. So equal 1 over 50 ohm for Z0 times by 2 pi times by 2 gigahertz and times by 2.6064 for group 3. And the answer is 0.611 picofarad. Next, so this is the formula of inductor L4 is Z0 over omega C and times by G4 for group 4. Z0 is 50 ohm and omega C is 2 pi times by 2 gigahertz. And then we times again with group 4 1.3137 and the answer is 3.029 nanohenry.
So for capacitance 5 equal 1 divided by Z0 omega C times by G5 equal 1 divided by 50 ohm times 2 pi times 2 gigahertz times 2.4738 equal 0.643 picofarad. So for inductance L6 equal Z0 divided by omega C times by G6 equal 50 ohm divided by 2 pi times 2 gigahertz times 0.8696 equal 4.578 nano Henry. Okay.